Well, boys and girls, we're having a major issue here. 93 octane is inserted, and my computer is not running boot mod 3. Alright, boys and girls, so the car is driving. I need fuel, but of course, as you've seen in the previous, I'm gonna go back to 93, so I'm gonna have to change this tune. I don't want to do 85. I need to turn the boost down. We're gonna see if something happens if I change something in this car. I don't know, but I am getting the symptoms of like how I got when my intercooler failed. I'm hoping that's all it is. I got no engine light. All I got is that I need fuel over there. That's what that warning light is. So 34 miles to empty, but I got no lights, no engine light, thankfully no drivetrain malfunction. So I'm not getting any of that. So, and which is the same thing I got when I had intercooler fail. Ooh, I can see this car driving up real fast. Look at this guy. Watch this, guys. Watch this guy. Oh, there he goes. And his car is damaged on the side. Go figure, right? Driving like an idiot. Damaged car. They got no sense. In the rain, no less. In the rain. Probably has horrible tires on too. Anyways, but the car is it's driving okay. It does have a bit of a sputter at lower speeds, but cruising at highway speed here, which as you see I'm only doing 74 miles an hour, so I'm in efficient mode too. I hope you guys see that. I don't think I've ever driven this car in efficient mode for this long of a time. So hopefully she holds up and she does good. But I will keep you guys posted. Follow me on Instagram as well, Exhaust Note channel on Instagram. I'll probably post up some stuff there just to keep you guys posted up what's happening with the car. And hopefully we can find out sometime soon the results of what's happening. Let's hope it's just the intercooler, because it's not overly expensive to replace that, and I'll have to do it myself. I for sure won't be able to go into the dealership and get it done again. It's too soon, and we'll get the warranty flagged for sure, so that will be no bueno. So anyways, hang in with me, guys. Appreciate you, and stay tuned, see what happens. So as we're stuck in traffic, I got 5 miles till empty, which is at the speed that we're moving at, really is not that
Take
bad.
exit 28 to the right toward US 92,
That's
Lakeland,
right.
then
Right.
turn left.
Gas. Gotta get some gas. It's like not even a mile away. Oh man, look at this guy. In the ditch. Dang, bro. Look at this dude. That other guy tried to help him or something. Dang, bro. Wow. Look at that thing, bro. Yowzers. That sucks for that guy. So we got 93 V-Power going back in the car, man. We're going to see how this goes. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Got my laptop right there, so we're going to try to get this thing tuned back to 93, see what happens. Well, boys and girls, we're having a major issue here. 93 octane is inserted, and my computer is not running boot mod 3. I'm having many errors, so I had to uninstall the antivirus, even though I had turned it off. Might have to try to uninstall boot mode again. Let's see if we can get this thing to work, guys. Let's see if we can get some love here. Allow access. I don't know if my firewall was trying to block it. So I don't know what was happening with this, man. What's going on with this thing? I cannot tell you. Cannot tell you, boys and girls, we're having some major issues. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but error, error, error. Now I'm on a E85 tune. I'm on an E85 tune, and I have 93 octane in the tank. So you know what that means. That is not a very good thing. Let's see if we can uninstall this maybe. Let's uninstall. Uninstall boot mode, what do you think? And try to reinstall it again? Yes, uninstall. See, we're kicking it out right now. It's done. It's out. Let's try to reinstall it again. Let's go back to Chrome. Let's go to the site. We're not having a lot of luck, fam. We're not having a lot of luck at all, fam. It's not looking good for us, fam. Let's do Windows Update. Actually, you know what? We can stop that. Is it installing? I don't know if it's installing or not. Let's go to the download folder. It's not a good time. It's not a good time. Executable. Let's execute it. Of course, Windows protected. You're gonna get this error if you ever try to install it, but you just got to go past it because it's an unknown software. So you got to get this thing to install this time. What do you think? It's just installing the app. We're gonna have to try to start this thing on 93. We're gonna have to see what happens there, guys. So stay tuned. This could be bad. Fam, we got great news. Johnny fixed the problem. We're connected. Hot damn, baby. Hot damn. What do you say to that, guys? A little bit of computer stuff, huh? I know a little bit. Now let's get her tuned up. Come on. Let's hopefully my battery don't die now. Now I've been sitting here. 93. Flash. Flash. It says no vehicle connected. Obviously there's a vehicle connected. Let's go. Let's go. Vehicle. Oh, that's probably why. Go back. What is this? What is it asking me? Allow access. Is that my VIN? There we go, guys. Map. Maps. Let's go. Let's go, fam. Let's go, fam. Let's go, fam. Here we go. Bam. Gotcha. 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 We got this thing, baby. We in there. We in there. We're downloading. We got good internet out here, so we're strong. We're strong on the internet. There it is. Stability. Don't fail in the middle, because that would really suck. Let's turn this AC off, man, because, man, my battery, hopefully she's not dying. Let's see what happens. OBD unlocked, 1%. Flashing in progress. Let's go. The 93 one never moves this fast, but we'll see. I've flashed this one a few times and it always kind of is trippy. So let's hope. Might have to, let's get in here. Let's plug in the seat belt because I don't want anything turning off. Let's close this door. We're running, baby. This is gonna take a minute. We'll be back, guys. Intermission break. So if I panic, it won't be on camera. All right, fam, we're making some progress. We're going up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's a positive thing. Very positive thing right now. This is taking a lot longer than I'm used to. And it's not because my internet's slower. I don't know why this 93 tune seems to always take a little bit longer. The fully 85 tunes, man, they're just like zips right through for some reason, but this 93 tune always struggles. Now, we can only pray that my car actually still runs okay. It might have some issues starting, because usually, good thing I went all the way down to, I was 1 mile empty, 1 mile till empty, so that means there's still some fuel in there. There was still E85 in there. There's still some in the lines, of course. So usually when I start up, it struggles a few times until it actually starts. And the way this thing is running right now, it's probably not a good thing. So bear with me, guys. We're at about 70%, and hopefully she starts up. Cross your fingers, guys. Cross your fingers. All right, fam. We're stuck at the 85%. We're stuck at 85%. I think I screwed up. Let's try that again, fam. We got an issue. We got a fucking issue here. We got a fucking issue here, fam. Big issue. We got to relog back in. We got warnings. I didn't have the door closed all the way. Vehicle is up, thank God. Let's flash again. Let's flash it again. We got to start over. We screwed up. Map ready to flash, initializing. Please wait. All right. We're getting some errors. So I'll be back. All right, so we're back up. 54%. It's moving slowly. Hopefully this thing don't turn off. I messed up. I accidentally opened up my door, man. It wasn't actually closed all the way, and I think I bumped it with my arm, and then the car thought I was getting out, so it powered it down, and then it interrupted oh man, I hope I didn't screw anything up. If anything, I might have to do a learn adaptations again. It might not rewrite some of the ECU codes, which is not that big of a deal. It's not hard to do adaptations. That's usually pretty quick. So let's hope we can get out of here, because I am sweating right now. I'm hot. Got one window open. It's super humid. It's raining. My man is back here waiting on me like a champ. Jim, you're the man. I appreciate you for helping me out, waiting with me, and making sure I get home all right. I mean, I've just put gas in it. Doesn't mean we're gonna make it home, but I hope we're gonna make it home. We're at 95%. Fam, we are almost there. At least we can start the car. Hopefully she runs maybe like she was running when I was driving here. Not that this tune is really gonna make it run any better. I'm hearing some noises I like to hear, so that's always a good thing. So, what a day today, man. What a day today. You know, I almost didn't want to go, and I probably would have saved myself if I didn't go today. Oh man, I think the spirit of driving must have did something. I don't know. Maybe I had some bad E85. I can only pray that's what it was. Secondary codes almost clear, finishing up. But we're gonna go for the start here in just a minute. Stay tuned. All right, let's cross our fingers. Let's cross our fingers here. We got to get this gas out because it's not gonna time. It's gonna have issues. This is what it's done from E85 to 93. It never runs right. Let's see if we can get an idle. Oh, we got an idle, but it's a crappy idle. It's a very shaky, nasty idle, guys. Yep, it's still running like crap. But we're back up and running. My intake temps are not even registering. But the car's running. Let's get the fuel through. Yeah, we got some power, guys. So fam, we're gonna head home. We're gonna head back. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for crossing your fingers. At least we got running. So don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I make it to the house. But stay tuned, at least for me, for the ride home. Just pray for me, guys. Cross your fingers. Whatever you do, I'll get there. All right, fam. So looks like we're highway bound. We're driving okay. We're making it home, slowly but surely. Still got about maybe a little less than an hour. Little less, close to it. See how it goes. That car runs okay at highways, like it was before. Still feel that sluggishness when I kind of accelerating. So I don't really try to accelerate hard at all because it feels like, you know, it's just like losing boost or something, man. I'm not sure really what the true issue is, but I appreciate you guys sticking it out with me. If you made it this far in the video, I do appreciate you. Thank you so much for hoping I make it home. I'm almost there, so if you got enough guts, stick with me. I'll get back on as soon as I pull up on the driveway, because you never know. This could end abruptly, and then I'll be towing this thing somewhere. So, like I said, keep your fingers crossed. And we got about, like I said, a little less than an hour, maybe about like 45 miles or so, 40 miles total. You know, somewhere around there, if that. So we'll see you guys at the house shortly. All right. For you guys, of course, it's real quick. Garage open. You guys, did you hear that noise? Guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. This is definitely going to be a to be continued. We got to bring it to the shop. We got to bring it to RSP Automotive. Miguel to check it out. So, stay with me, guys. Appreciate you. Stayed this long again. Thank you so much. I made it home. Thanks for making sure I get back to the house. So, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. So, sleep tight. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.